my name is Salome, and I'm a German language coach. I help expats and professionals who move to Germany, Switzerland, and Austria to learn German basically completely from scratch and help them go from zero to becoming conversational in German so that they can work on their career and build a new life chapter in those German-speaking countries. So I was working roughly 30 hours a week back then before I created the online program, doing one-on-one and small group sessions. So obviously that was not scalable, first of all, and also I was basically heading to Burnout City, and I was looking for a way to scale that business without making any compromise in my revenue and also in further developing my services. So the AA program basically gave me a very clear roadmap for how to create an online course business, because I had no idea beforehand. I was doing a lot of research on my own, which basically left me completely confused and I didn't really know where to start. And in one of the first videos, Sunny says something around you don't have to watch any further YouTube video or listen to any further thing. This is the one thing that's going to help you, create that online course business. I was so relieved because by then I had watched hours and hours of different kinds of approaches and I was just really confused. So AA provided a structure in a step-by-step fashion, and it eliminated any doubt that I had because I knew it would work. Because if it worked for others, why not for me? And I've listened to the interview with Liz Sharma before, and she's also in the language space. So I really had no doubt that it's going to work for me as well. Also, it was very helpful helping me with connecting with others in a similar space. As I said, it's in my circle back then, there was basically nobody who was either ahead of me or even just doing what I wanted to do. So I could not really turn to anyone with questions or just simply bounce ideas off. And since joining AA, I've met other language coaches. I've met with Tanya on Zoom, and also recently I've met with Nela, who's an English teacher in Bali. Actually, we went out for coffee, and then we're doing an accountability thing right now, basically. So that was very helpful. So one of the major results that I've achieved was basically cutting my 80-hour work week down to a 30-hour work week. That was really, really important to me to just have more quality time and more time for me and focus on our family and friends as well. And even last month, I actually enjoyed a lot of quality time with my families and friends in Bali. They came over for my birthday and we spent a lot of time together, which was thinkable in the past. So I almost took the whole month to just slow down and relax a little bit. So that was definitely something that was very important to me. And in terms of numbers of leads, we had 380 people sign up or call so far. YouTube basically grew from almost 0 to 4K subscribers. We're at 3,740 subscribers right now. Instagram grew from 1,500 followers to 134,000 followers. And the email subscribers grew from roughly 1,000 subs to almost 9,000 email subs. And then we had 81 sales and roughly $9,000 in revenue. So for anyone who's interested in joining AA, if your goal is to create a scalable online course business, then definitely go for it. AA has provided me with just so much clarity, and I've learned really a lot along the way. And I think it's definitely worth the investment.